So welcome back. Yeah, where did we stop? So this is where we stopped. So let's learn about the third method of starting the layout, or the third method of generating the cells we need for our layouts. So to do that, first I would like to delete all these cells so far that we have. So to delete cells, you just move your cursor to the area where that cell is located, then you hit the I button on your keyboard, and you press the delete key. Sorry, not the delete key, the D key on your keyboard, the D button on your keyboard. So that's gone. So the same thing, I move the cursor to the area where the cell is, and I press the I button, and yes, I press the D button for delete. So same thing for this. I for selection of cell. And so what's a cell? Cell is just a combination of layers, like as you could see in those other deleted cells. Even this, the poly layer and the N layer coming together to form a cell. So I to select a cell, then D for delete. It was it saying you selected one cell. Let me do again, and this seems to not be working. Let me use S. Maybe let me just use S to select one of the materials, and use D. So S to select. So S is selection of layers, you get. Y I is selection of cell. So since the I wasn't working for this, so I'm using S to select, then I press the D button for delete. So the same thing, S D, I move the cursor to the area where I want to delete. S D, S and D. So they're all gone. So next thing, what's the third method now? The third method is I think I missed something. To be able to do the third method, this is what we need to do. You go back to a scheme. Though we've done part of the things we need to do to be able to use the third method, that we making this an object. Making it an object just include getting the inverter alone, then we change the pins to ports, then we did this also LVS, then we try to make it a sub-circuit, you get. So you remember all those. So lastly, you need to generate a netlist for this. So you generate a netlist by clicking on the netlist button here. It's yellowed, so netlist. So then the netlist is generated. To always confirm the netlist have been generated, you come to this button here. You have option. Where you have option, then where is it? Netlist window, or is it under view? No, it's not here. Again, update has been made, and I think, let me just take my time. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so yeah, like I said, this is the updated version, so some things have been changed. Before, I think the option for showing the netlist window, it used to be here under option where you click show netlist windows, I think for the old version, if I'm not wrong. But now I discovered it under simulation. So you come to simulation, then you click on the show netlist after netlist command. That after this command has been entered graphically, so I'll just click on this option, so show netlist after netlist command. So again, if I hit the netlist button, now you get to see the netlist, and yeah, so this the netlist. So you can do dismiss, save anyone, and yeah. So now we are now ready to use the third option, the third method of generating cells. So I'll just go back to to the magic window. I'm here. So now to use a third method, so you come here, file, then you click on this import spice. So import spice, and you have to navigate down to where the netlist for that design is. So usually the netlist would always be found in the folder called .scheme. So you go to your home directory. So in your home directory, you look for this folder called .scheme, this folder in your home directory. So I'll double click on it. You open the simulation subfolder, then search for the name of the netlist. So what would the name of the netlist be? For our case, I named it E351 inverter, right? This is schematic, so .schch, that's for schematics, but the netlist would be E351 inverter, that's inv .spice or .circuit as the name would be. You can see the extension name, the file type. So let's look for E351 inv, I think this is it, .spice. So this is it. So double click, and here you go. So I think this is the best of the best. Like, this is the best way to generate your cells. After just doing the design, just come here and hit the import spice button, and you would have everything. By doing this, you're going to save like 2 hours if you're going to be using the second method, where you generate the devices from here. Imagine it's a more bigger circuit, it's a more complex circuit. This third method would help you save 2 hours of using this method, about 2 hours of using this method, or yeah, for a complex design. Then I think would save about 5 hours for you of using the other method, where we have to be laying by material. You get. So you can either use the second method, where you generate from device, or you just import spice. Again, this third method would most likely be the best for all. And by the way, this third feature, this where we can import spice, I think it's not there for K layout. So for those who are using K layout, I don't think you'll be able to do this for K layout. But this option of generating devices, I think it's in K layout. So maybe this is another reason you want to use magic. But again, there are even other better options, features K layout also have that magic don't have. So at the end of the day, it's all trade-offs. But for this course, we're just going to be using the magic. So yeah, we are here, and we're going to be starting the layout right off. So maybe I'll just stop the video here, then I'll continue with another video for the proper layout. Yeah, thank you. See you in the next video.